already know we out here, man, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marlon, and if you're new, my name is Marlon. All right, so as you can tell by the title of this video today, this is gonna be an updated curly hair routine. You guys know I have several curly hair routines on my channel, but let me just update you guys and let me give you more information about how I get the bangs moisturized. The bangs is basically the hair in the front of my head, you feel me? All right, so we're gonna start with the Pantene shampoo and conditioner, the Gold series. All right, I recently tried out this line and it's amazing, bruh. You feel me? That's why I'm using it and I'm telling you guys about it. But yeah, so in this part of the video, I applied the conditioner. Now I'm twisting the front of my hair. I know it looks pretty strange. It looks strange, but bear with me right now. This will make your bangs look super moisturized, man.
Are you serious?
It will make it look super moisturized. And there's gonna be hair in the back. You just want to twist it up too, you know. You don't want to take this out immediately. You want to leave it in for you want to let it soak in for about 5 minutes, man. 5 minutes. And that's gonna be perfect because when that conditioner soaks in your hair, it makes it 10 times easier to detangle it. Because I know a lot of you guys struggle with losing a lot of hair while detangling. Well, this is gonna reduce that problem. This is gonna eliminate that problem, okay? All right, so 5 minutes pass and I take out the twist and my hair, it looks moisturized right now, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks very moisturized. Well, now it's time to comb it out. Get rid of all those knots, easy. And do you guys notice what I'm doing? Usually people would comb their hair back. I'm combing my hair forward all the time. And that just helps me get volume when my hair dries. And look at that, bro. Look at how shiny the hair is. I could see myself, like it's insane.
Bruh.
But yeah, after that, I got all the product out. Going with the Shea Moisture mask, okay? This is a mask, but I'm gonna use it as a leave-in. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these heavy products for my hair right now. Just listen up. I'm gonna use this heavy product, and then I'm gonna apply 2 more products after this. I'm doing this because I will be blow drying my hair after. And what that's gonna lead to is a lot of definition and volume at the same time, okay? Next, I'm gonna be applying the Davines Curl and then the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, you feel me? And I mix these 2 products together in my hand and then I apply it. But yeah, you want to make sure to get every single part of your hair. And there's a reason I'm doing this with the water running a little bit, because my hair tends to dry fast. So I might as well keep the shower on and just keep it damp a little bit, you feel me? And then I want to get the gray cap and put on for about like 30 minutes. And yeah, just wait. All right, so it's been 30 minutes and my hair is pretty damp. And now I'm going in with the blow dryer. And man, I tried out this blow dryer. The volume is immaculate, bro. I've never seen my hair with this much volume. It's crazy. You know, what I basically do is just try to get every single part of my hair dry with this blow dryer. It's simple like that. But first I use the cool setting, and then in the middle I use the warm setting, and then I go back to cool. And it takes about like 10 minutes to completely dry my hair. And during this whole process, I use my pick to pick out my hair for the volume as well. So that's how it is. That's the routine. Watch, you're gonna see at the end how it looks after. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you share with a friend, like the video, and subscribe, because you won't want to miss any future vids. You feel me? I got these good tips. Bro, you already know we out here, and you already know we out here.